Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're returning OG, you guys are the realest. I'm not gonna lie, I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for coming back again. In this video, I'm going to be starting a 3x1 frontal. In one of my vlogs, I showed that I was scammed of one particular hair I got, so I'm just gonna be starting there because money cannot waste. So I'm gonna style the hair, and the hair is gonna come out looking cute. So let's do this. I got this 3x1 closure frontal. I keep calling it closure, I don't know why. It's a frontal wig. But guys, when I was buying this wig, this lady assured me, she assured me it was perfect. It was, I think it was even a 360 wig I wanted to buy, but this is what she sent to me. And this was not even the hair I wanted. I wanted like a straight wig, but this looks like all those attachments, and she just did the rubbish. But you know, money cannot waste. I already bought it, so I'm like, let me style it and see if it comes out nice. Hopefully it does, cause I didn't even know there was something like 3x1 frontal. Ow! So what exactly do you expect us to do with this hair? Even the threading is just rubbish. Can you see this? The hair is just plain awful. This is not what I bargained for. What is this? Who buys 3x1 frontal? I could have just gotten a closure if I knew this was the rubbish she was going to send to me. And see, I don't know if you can see what it was hand sewn, and it wasn't even sewn well. Guys, I'm gonna do my best, but first things first, I'm going to tint the lace. So I saw a video where I can't remember her name. I can't remember the name or the video I saw, but I know she did her own tint. She just did a mixture of foundation and spirit to just tint the wig, and it was looking so nice. So I'm going to be doing the same today because I cannot stress myself over a wig that I was scammed for. I can't even tell you how much I got it because I feel like I should have known I was going to be scammed. I'm going to link the vlog somewhere here so you can watch it. But yeah, I'm going to go into the Beauty by AD foundation, and I'll be using this spirit. I'm using this container. I'll just do a mixture, a quick mixture. So this foundation is my perfect shade. Hopefully I'm not getting darker. I feel like I'm getting darker. Well, I'll do it for another time. So I'm going to do like 2 pumps. We'll make it 3, so I can use it for like my other wigs. And I'm going to add in the spirit. I feel like if you don't have spirit in your house, there's something wrong with you. I'm not gonna lie, there's something wrong with you. It is so necessary because it does a lot of things. So why won't you have spirit? If you don't have spirit, go and get yourself spirit right now. Okay, maybe not now, maybe after you're done with my video. I'm not shaking it. Ooh, I think I'm going to peel off this. So guys, this is the mixture I just did. So let's try it out. Let's see if it works. Let's see. Okay, it's looking like it. Let me just finish it up. So that it looks now. Can you see the part where I added the foundation mixture? That mixture makes sense. So you know how it goes. I'm using a wig cap. This is a wig cap. Guys, this is how the hair looks on my head. I keep trying to pull it down, but it's not going any further. Not going any further than this. At least I know. So I'm not going to be. That just already showed me that I should not even cut this guy. So I'm just gonna wear it to the back like this. I'll just install it like this because I'll be using these two OG products to install the wig. That feels good. You just see me moving left to right to figure out what I need. Okay, so this part looks good. But this part doesn't. Okay. Like, oh. I really wish at least this thing would have been my perfect head fit. And I know for a fact that my head is not big. This part is giving, like it's really giving, and this part is just not giving. Okay, so this is me. If it's like this, then that means this face is here, and this face is supposed to be here, right? But this one is here. I guess this is where my hair dryer comes into play. Okay, this part is done. Remains this part. I'm going with the glue first this time. So I'm done frying my eggs. So I'm done laying it, hopefully. So it's time to cut the lace. But I think it's already looking nice. I think. So let's do that part. So I'm going to cut the lace. I'm going to cut this lace into 3 parts. We belong together, me and you forever. I'm planning to get that really tiny scissors, but I don't have it now. So I'll be using this guy. We used to have each other's playlists. No, we used to be each other's best friends. I cut myself. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better. You stick with me 'cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Okay, it's starting to look really good. Minus the fact that this one, I'm going to use foundation to just, you know, blend out this part. So I'm thinking, should I do like baby hairs? So for baby hair, I'm going to do just this side, because this side I think I'm going to pour the hair down like this. Maybe I should do for both sides. I think I'll just do for both sides. We belong together, me and you forever. Okay. It's me. I'm just gonna tie it back. We used to have each other's playlists. No, used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. So I'm thinking I'm going to do like a side parting kind of vibe. So guys, I have finished installing, laid my baby hair, just waiting for it to stay for a bit. So I'm going to do my makeup and I'll be back to show you the final look. So guys, this is the final look. The hair looks so good. As you can see, there's no parts because it's a 1 inch thing, so there's no parts. So we just have to be careful, because if you look closely you'll be able to see the sew-in lines, which is ridiculous, but it looks good from the front, even though the hair needs a little bit of love. I don't know how much love I can give to it. Looks good. The makeup is on point. If you want to watch how I did the makeup, I have another video. Go and check it out. I'll probably leave it in the comment. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. It's a get ready with me telling you a story. So guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.